Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some very inexpensive Valentine gift ideas. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And now let's craft. Starting with my first project from Dollar Tree, I will be using one of these photo frames. I'm going to start by removing the plastic, then I'm going to remove the back. This fits a 4x6 picture, and you can use this vertical or horizontal. The picture I'm using, it's smaller, plus I want this to be horizontal, so you're going to be able to see the sides. So to cover that up, I'm going to use this beautiful paper, which I'm not sure if I got from Michael's or Hobby Lobby, but it was from one of those places. Now I'm going to just cut it to size and then glue this to the back using my Elmer's glue stick. And for this, I'm going to use this picture, which is a very old picture. This is like 5 to 6 years ago. I'm going to trim the sides, and then I'm not going to glue this to the back. So instead of doing that, I'm going to place it on the center of the frame, hold it, then put the back. Now you can glue this if you want. I just chose not to, just in case I want to switch the picture. And look how beautiful this looks already. Now you can leave it like that or add more, which that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to add more. So you can use this Dollar Tree wood piece or a paint stir stick, which that's what I did. I am going to just cut this a little more. And then I'm going to paint this using some black paint. For the next step, there is a lot of different things you can do and use. You can use the Dollar Tree poster sticker letters. You can use stencils. You can use your Cricut, which that's what I'm doing. I cut IU to pieces. I didn't do the love because I'm using some wood hearts for the love. Dollar Tree carries these laser cut out little hearts and these other hearts, which I stacked them together and then I added them to my sign. To finish this off, I'm going to glue the sign to the frame. And that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out, and it was so easy and inexpensive to make.
That maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice.
For my next project, I will be using this Dollar Tree basket. Look how beautiful this is. And some balloons. I am using these ones right here that have confetti inside. I got these from the Dollar Tree as well. So I'm going to start by blowing this balloon. I ended up doing 2 of them because the first one I did, it was too small, and then I did another one which I did make it bigger. Now to hold the balloon, I'm using these little balloon holders. Now this is a yard one, which it's a lot bigger than the regular ones. So for this, I'm only using one piece. I'm going to just assemble this and add the balloon. Even though I only used half of it, it was still too tall, so I do end up cutting some of this off to make it shorter. To add the stick inside the basket, I am using some of this floral foam. Now, I didn't have any more, so I did end up using some pieces that I had. All I did was just stack them up together. I then added the stick to the basket. Now to cover some of the foam, I did add some of this shredded paper or confetti paper. This one right here, I use one bag, which I got from the Dollar Tree as well. This gift is going to be for my son and my daughter. That's why you see different things that are for a boy and girl here. All of this I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to just start placing everything I got inside my basket. If you haven't guessed it by now, I am making an air balloon. The next thing I will be doing is adding the rope. Now this one right here is from the Dollar Tree. I grabbed 2 pieces, which I am going to tie in the center to make like a cross with it or an X. Now I did have to move to the floor so I can show you better. But once I had the string, I added it on top of the balloon. And then I started to add each little string to the basket. You can put the leftover string inside the basket or just cut it off. To finish this off, I will be adding a bow I made out of the Dollar Tree ribbon. And that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out.
That maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice. 'Cause out of sight and out of mind is perfect. It's so hard to decide.
For my next project, I'm using one of the Dollar Tree wood hearts. I'm going to paint it white. Now I didn't want this to be like very white, so I did add some water to this to make it look more like they washed out. I will be adding I love you to this. Now you can use the Dollar Tree poster sticker letters. I didn't, I just used my Cricut, so I'm going to just transfer this in the center of my heart. The next thing I will be doing is adding some hearts to this. I wasn't sure how I wanted to add the hearts, so I am going to show you different options. But the only reason I'm adding the heart is to cover those little holes that the heart has. I ended up going with this. I glued them down. The next thing I will be using is this Dollar Tree little crate. I painted this. I mixed some antique wax with a little bit of black to make it darker. I will be using this dowel that I already had. I'm going to glue it right here. Now, before I add the heart to this, I am going to add some of the floral foam. I had run out of this, so I did have to go to Dollar Tree to buy some new one. Now I'm going to just cut a piece off. It's going to be less than an inch, maybe like half an inch. Then I'm going to just glue this in the center of the crate. I did not fill the entire thing with floral foam. I only used this piece. Moving on, I will be adding some roses. I used 2 of these Dollar Tree picks. When I cut out the roses, I left the little sticks maybe about 1.5 inches long. I then added the roses like all around the floral foam except in the front. As you can see, I didn't add anything to the front because I'm going to add another of the Dollar Tree little bears, which this one I already had. That's why it looks a little bit wonky, but Dollar Tree carries different little stuffed animals that you can use. Now I'm going to just add the heart on the piece of wood, and that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out.
Myself that maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice.
My next project is going to be very easy and simple. From Dollar Tree, I'm going to use one of these wood photo stands. I'm going to paint this using the Waverly Antique Wax. I am now going to add a heart. This comes from a Dollar Tree pack. And this rose, which also comes from a Dollar Tree little pack. For the heart, I am going to add some initials to this. And that is it, guys. The last thing you need to do is just add a photo. But that is it. Look how cute and adorable this turned out.
Myself that maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice.
And that is it for these beautiful gift ideas. Let me know down in the comments section which one was your favorite. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.
He got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm Mr. Treat. Well, the day